Driving for dollars is dead. How can you go in your car, look for ugly houses, and compete with literal drones flying across the sky, scanning every single property with 4K cameras, and reporting back and using AI to see if the house is ugly or not? Every research article has always shown that AI has better eyesight than any human being, and you're absolutely crazy if you drive for dollars anymore. You see, we just introduced SkyDrive AI, and this came with a brand new marketing channel. We call it droning for dollars. Literal drones flying across America, scanning every property and giving it a score from 0 to 100 based on how ugly it is. On top of that too, we use live satellite images that Tesla, the US military, and the Department of Agriculture uses with high quality 4K cameras to look at every house in America in a real-time satellite view and our aerial drone fleet to give a score if the house is ugly or not. Now, what this basically means is, think of any property in America. Right now, our satellites can go look at the property in nice, beautiful 4K, scan the property, and see if it's distressed or not in real time. The problem is when you drive for dollars and you go out to the property, pretty dang good, but it's not scalable. And unfortunately, the AI can go look at that property and look at 1 million properties in the next day, when you at most can drive for dollars maybe 300, 400 properties in 2 to 3 hours, when our AI can do tens of thousands of properties in an hour. This is the secret we've been waiting for wholesaling success. So you got to remember, the only thing stopping AI from taking over the entire wholesaling space is a lot of the legal laws that we have. Like, for example, if it was legal for me to create a cold calling bot to cold call 100,000 people an hour with my AI, and then if someone says they're interested, it goes straight to you, I would do it. But the problem is the FCC would go out here and find me and probably sue me into oblivion for tens of millions of dollars because AI cold calling is illegal. Unless they opt in, their follow-up bot's fine. But trust me, I would love to go do that. But unfortunately, AI can't make 100,000 calls legally. But AI can go look at every property in America and tell you, hey, these are the ugly houses, go after these. It's basically driving for dollars with AI, except it's completely free. So what I want to do today is show you exactly how to do this AI driving for dollars, AI droning for dollars, AI orbiting for dollars, whatever you want to call it, on X leads, and how you could start getting the most ugliest distressed real estate without doing any work at all. Now, let me make this very clear. This is not driving for dollars. This is AI going out here and looking at real-time satellite data that we feed and drone data across America. So you don't have to pull lists anymore. You don't have to drive for dollars anymore. It's all in there with your $97 subscription to X Leads. So just in case you don't know, if you've been living on a rock, X Leads had the biggest announcement of 2026 with our SkyDrive AI announcement. And what we can basically do is find ugly houses in real time. So let's go inside of X Leads and show you exactly how you can start doing this so you can have a ton of success. So right inside of here, we are in X Leads. And all we have to do to get started is go to our leads tab. And right here, we're going to choose our area. So let's do Tulsa, Oklahoma. And we can do Tulsa, Oklahoma, clear out our filters. There's currently 134,000 properties in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Let's look at all the satellite data, the live satellite data of all the ugly houses, look through our drone footage and see which properties are ugly or not. So let's go out here and pull a list. So let's make it really small so it's really fast and easy. So let's go out here and pull every property that's vacant with high equity. Just make it really easy. Or let's do high equity tax delinquency. That should be an easy list, right? Let's max out property values at 400,000 and make it single family properties only. And make sure they owned it for at least 3 years. It's individual or trusts. And let's put at least 40% equity on here. A really small little list right here. Not too bad, 911. So let's go out here, pull this list. And all we're going to do is we have the list done right here. We're going to go SkyDrive AI the list. So I'm going to press SkyDrive AI right here, and we're going to start an AI analysis scan. So it looks at the satellite view on the property from 0 to 100, 100 being the ugliest, 0 not being ugly at all. Let's see what it says. So let's press start scan, and we're going to let the scan start. All right, let's launch the scan. All right, so as we speak right here, the AI is going out here and scanning the live satellite view of every property. And while it's doing this, you can see right here that has an actual analysis on the property. So this one has a 71 high distress scan. The reason being is, if you can see from the satellite image, this thing looks absolutely disgusting. Like, I mean, the backyard's not looking good, not much maintenance, the roof's looking rough on here, and obviously the AI has analyzed that. Now, this isn't the actual satellite view, this is just from the public data that we can give to you. We have it internally, and we're looking at the LiDAR, the infrared scans, the vegetation growth, and the month-over-month differences on the property. But we can see here the AI says this property has significant distress. Also looking at the financial data and having a poor condition on it. So this one has a 71 high distress score. So this is definitely something we should pull and cold call the seller. Now, it does take a little bit of time. So as we're talking about this, we're only at 55 properties scanned. So it's probably best just to scan it, go grab a cup of coffee, go to the bathroom, comp a property, and you'll come back. The thing will be all ready for you. Now, while it's scanning right here, you can just press scan right here and let it load in the background while it's doing this. And it's going to do the live scanning. Now, once you get that list, it's going to export right here in your export tab, and you got your SkyDrive list, and you can just download it right there. Now, once the list is done scanning, if you want to filter out the properties and do it a little easier, what I probably recommend is you go to Has Photos and filter by distress score, and then do ascending. And right here, the most distressed properties will pop up on the top and the least distressed on the bottom. So maybe you want to go out here and just select maybe this page. We'll take this page too, and this page. So anything about in this page, so maybe the 75 most distressed properties. And we have them right here with their distress scores, anything over a 50. And we can go right here, export it. We got the property details, the valuations, the lead trace, the phone numbers, and the AI scores, and export that list. That list of 900. Now, I would prefer you pull a list of like 5,000 or 6,000. So if we went out here and let's go scan another list. So for example, let's try Oklahoma City, and we're just gonna do a massive list. So let's go out here and do every vacant property in Oklahoma City. It's only 1,400, that's not a lot. Let's just do high equities and filter out like crazy. So high equities, 400,000 with the filters, it's 38,000. Let's make sure they owned it for at least 5 years with, let's do 60% equity. Now it's 19,000, so not bad. So what we're going to do is let's take this whole list right here and let's SkyDrive the list. So it's definitely going to be a big list. So let's let it proceed and load it up. All right. So now this list is done scanning. We can also filter by the distress score, which is right here. So we got a lot of nice distressed homes on this big list. So let's select the page and let's do anything above like a 60 on this. So this is a really easy way to filter out all these AI lists. So select this one, definitely this one. So looks like we have 200 AI SkyDrive lists, or AI droning for dollars, orbiting for dollars lists. So about 200 here out of 18,000, which is still pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all. We're going to take this data, we're going to export it, include the lead trace, get the phone numbers right there, all the property data we'd want, and export it. And it will pop up right here on our exports. That's a little hack I can tell everyone to do right here. And right there, we got our ugly houses. And so I definitely recommend calling and texting this list, throw it into contacts, tag it SMS, start text blasting that list, or put on the dialer, and you're going to have a ton of success here. Whatever plan you have in X Leads, remember, you don't just get one AI zip code for the SkyDrive, you also get it for an AI sellability score. This AI sellability score predicts financial distress. So you can also filter out properties on their wholesale AI score. Anything with a 700 or above is really going to be good. So combining a high wholesale AI score and doing the SkyDrive AI list together. So pulling your wholesale AI score for sellability and then your SkyDrive list together, it's going to be all you're going to need for wholesaling success. The easiest way to get 1 to 2 deals a month without pulling massive lists or doing a ton of calling. The only question here is, what plan do you need? So if you go here down to pricing, really depends on what you want. So if you have the basic monthly plan, to get one AI zip code to do your SkyDrive AI and your one AI sellability score zip code. If you get the basic annual, you get 3 zip codes. If you get the pro plan, you get 3 zip codes. Pro annual is going to be 5 zip codes. The X plan, you get 5 AI zip codes, or 1 AI county on the X plan annual. You get more skip trace records on the pro and X and the basic. The pro plan has some more AI analysis on your properties and more AI zip codes. And the X plan has the dispo tab for your dispositions. Also, really quick, just so we don't forget, if you have, let's say, a code violation list or a probate list or a tax delinquency list or fire damage property list or water shutoff list, a lien list, right? Whatever list you have, you can press upload CSV right here and upload a CSV. And then after you upload the CSV, select the list and then go out here and SkyDrive your list, right? You can literally go out here and SkyDrive your uploaded lists too. So X Leads and AI has officially killed drying for dollars and has made it way easier for you to have success. So our SkyDrive AI is currently in beta. It's only getting better and better. It should be at about 100% capacity and perfectly dialed in by the end of March. So the beta right now is free for everybody. We are possibly raising prices at the end of it because we don't want everyone to have this because of how powerful it is. So I highly recommend you get grandfathered in right now and go to xleads.com to start using our SkyDrive AI. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.